Today we are discuss about our constitution. India is a sovereign country and not under the control of any other country in the world. India it is one of the sovereign country. So ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮತ್ವ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರವಾಗಿದೆ. So it is not a part of any bloc. It is not a part of any bloc and it has its own foreign policies. ಇದು ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಪಾಲಿಸೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಅಲೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 5-year plans ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ನಾನ್ ಅಲೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ, ಫಾರಿನ್ ಪಾಲಿಸೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 5-year plans are there by implementing which the country has achieved internal and external autonomy. So it is India by implemented ಹೇಗೆ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ which the country has achieved internal and external autonomy. Next, socialist country. India socialist country. The goal of our constitution, the goal of our Indian constitution, it is to create social equality. So Indian constitution na main aim ಏನು? So to create the social equality, ಒಂದು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯವನ್ನು ತರುವುದಾಗಿದೆ. So and promote welfare of all the people in our country and promote welfare of all the people our country. To enable this, directive principles of state policy have been incorporated in the constitution. So the principle of state policy have been incorporated in the constitution. Through ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ? So through the 42nd amendment done in 1976. Through this amendment, ಈ amendment ಮೂಲಕ 42nd amendment ಮೂಲಕ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ? So reforms and other progressive economic reforms were introduced. India is one of the secular country. So the word secular has been incorporated in the constitution through the 42nd amendment in 1976. The word secular has been incorporated in the constitution. So through the 42nd amendment in 1976. No religion, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಲಾಗಿದೆ? No religion has been given the status of a national religion. So India is a secular country. So no religion has been given the status of national religion. So no religion has been given in the status of national religion. So India is a secular country. Citizens have the liberty to practice any religion they desire. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಂತಹ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬನಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಪೌರತ್ವವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ನೋ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯನ್. ಸೊ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸೆಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. Citizens have the liberty to practice any religion they desire. All religions have equal status. All religion have equal status in India. ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯನ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ.